The piece I'm working on today is titled The Patch from Within. Some of the main colors I'll be using here are yellow ochre, cadmium orange, burnt sienna, and Payne's gray. I began with a light wash of yellow ochre, followed by a wash of Payne's gray all around the edges of the pumpkin, and then I free-handed in some pumpkin shapes into the middle. After I established the mid-tones, I began detailing more with Payne's gray, as well as adding highlights to the top of the pumpkins. Whoops, what happened here? Well, I accidentally wiped off all of my gouache, so I used this as an opportunity to test out my Derwent Inktense pencils in this next segment. For these pencils, I only had a small palette, so the few colors I used were Baked Earth, Tangerine, Sun Yellow, and Bark. As you can see, some of the color and line work was lost, but overall it's looking pretty good. It's a little bit brighter, more vibrant. I like it. For the vines, I painted in a few loose white curls for the green to stand out against. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit like and subscribe, and come back next time.